In this video, we're looking at Cluey AI, a desktop app designed to act like a private coach during video calls. Once installed, it listens to your conversation, monitors your screen, and pops up a hidden window with real-time tips. Whether that's code snippets for a technical interview, quick facts for a sales pitch, or suggestions to help you sound more confident. Getting started is easy. Open the app, join your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams session, and it begins working automatically. You can even upload documents like a resume or sales brief so it can instantly surface key details during the call. Cluey offers a free plan with 30 minutes of use each week, while paid plans start around $20 per month for unlimited time. Keep in mind it's still in beta, so the interface can be a bit rough and occasional bugs are expected. And because it quietly feeds you information, some people view it as an ethical gray area, especially for interviews or exams. If you need a confidence boost or quick prompts in high-pressure meetings though, Cluey AI delivers helpful live coaching. So just remember to use it responsibly.